Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see where you logged in on Facebook PC. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we will click on Activity Log. After that, click on where you're logged in. Finally, you will be able to see dates and devices where you have logged into Facebook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.